In this video, I'm going to give you 40 plus lockdown video ideas that you could be making videos on today, right now. And stay tuned till the end because I'm also going to give you 5 ways to find more ideas in your niche. So, are you ready? Hey go-getter, it's Salma Jafri from salmajaffrey.com, and you are in the right place if you want to grow your personal brand with video. Hit the red subscribe button. I would be very honored if you also click the bell so you can get notifications as I release new videos. And also it's a great way to show support for a channel that you love and enjoy. So if you do that, hit like on this video and subscribe. Now let's begin. I'm doing this video because I hear all the time people asking what kind of video should they be creating during lockdown, during quarantine, during social distancing, during self-isolation. What topics and ideas will resonate with your audience? I'm going to give you some ideas, and then at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you the 5 things to keep in mind as you're coming up with ideas for new video topics. So let's get started. So the first few ideas are in the exercise and fitness niche. So you want to do no equipment workouts because people are home and they don't have access to gym equipment. You want to follow along workouts because people want easy, they want something that they can do step by step along with you. You want to do a lockdown fitness challenge perhaps for your audience if you are aiming to achieve a certain goal or lose weight in a certain area of the body or something like that. So a lockdown fitness challenge. And the last idea is a real-time workout at home. So this is a great idea for a live video challenge perhaps, so people join you on a certain time and date on your YouTube channel, and live they do the workout with you. The next niche I'm going to tackle is the real estate niche. So many of you in the real estate niche ask me what kind of videos should you be creating right now. So I have a few ideas coming up for you. Number 1, a virtual 3D or 360 tour of your listings. So you want to be able to do a tour, and you can use some apps to do 3D tours or 360 tours. And if you don't have that, how about a virtual open house? Same concept without fancy apps or anything. Just use your smartphone and go film all the areas that you want to show in your listing. So a virtual open house is a great thing to do, and also even outside of a lockdown or quarantine, virtual open houses are becoming a thing. So this kind of video would be evergreen as well as current right now. The next idea for a video would be how to do social distancing if you're actually having people come over to view a listing. So what are the things that they could do and how you could set up a listing keeping in mind the social distancing rules in your community or neighborhood, right? So for example, you could be offering stuff like covers for feet, for your shoes. You could be making sure that all the lights are turned on and all the doors are open so people don't touch door handles or click on switches. So, you could keep them safe that way. You could be making sure that you offer digital downloads instead of pamphlets so you don't have to touch anything inside. So you can make videos around how to have a listing while practicing social distancing. The next idea is you could show people how to prep their home for a future listing. So you could do a home decluttering video, you could do a home staging video, and give tips on how to get your home ready for that sale and for those pictures and for those videos. Another idea is easy home renovation ideas that you can do while you're in lockdown. So perhaps how to fix up your yard outside to make it look better and more appealing, whether you're going to be inviting people in, doing open houses, or just filming the setup. So you could do home renovation ideas. And lastly, you want to do real estate education topics. So find out what are people discussing right now, what are their concerns, what are their problems, what are the topics that are front of mind, and make videos giving your opinion for how they can be thinking about those topics. Remember, opinion-based topics are great to do to establish yourself as an authority in the space that you are in. Next up, food. So you want to do lockdown recipes. So anything you want to make, title it lockdown recipe for, and then the actual recipe. Or you could do lockdown menu ideas. A lot of people want to batch create food as well. So you want to do menu ideas for different times of the day. So you could do entire menu planning for lockdown. Then you can do a lockdown grocery haul. So how to actually stock up for groceries during lockdown. You could do stuff like only 3 ingredients, because remember, think of the mindset right now. People don't maybe have all the ingredients. They maybe can't go out as frequently. They maybe have time before it can be delivered in, right? So the less ingredients, the better. So only 3 ingredients, or you can do something like no oven. So easy bake. You can do 5-minute recipes. You can do lockdown munchies, because, we all eating a lot while we're self-isolating at home. Next one is activities. So the kind of quarantine activities that you can talk about on your YouTube channel. How to host a lockdown birthday party. That's a big one. Lots of people are having birthday parties. I had mine last week. Was it last week? Yeah, but anyway, so you can have ideas around indoor activities to do during lockdown. You can do non-screen lockdown activities because it's easy to be sat in front of a screen, in front of your phone, computer, TV, laptop, whatever, but non-screen activities during lockdown would be an interesting video to do. You can do movies to watch during lockdown. You can sort them by genre. You can compile them. You can do movies for different demographics, adults, kids, etc. You can do best apps to download during a lockdown. You can do learn a new language in quarantine. So all kinds of activities that you can think of. You can put those in your video topics. Money. So obviously finance is a big concern right now. A lot of people are looking to make a side income. So a couple of videos that you could do around those topics would mean make money online during lockdown, how to look for a job during lockdown, make money from your side hustle during lockdown, home-based business ideas to start without investment during lockdown, make money in self-isolation. So any kind of tips you can give people around making money in lockdown, those would be very relevant for audiences right now. Travel. This is another big category I get where people are like, we can't travel, so we can't vlog. So what kind of videos should we make during lockdown? Here are some ideas. How about doing a compilation video on the best virtual tours on YouTube? There are a lot of companies offering virtual tours like Disneyland, for example, right? So you can make a compilation videos of the best virtual tours to watch while you are in lockdown. Another video idea is staycation and chill. So you can take that any which way you want, figure out how you can actually be at home and be in vacation mode. Maybe that could mean wearing resort wear at home or whatever, right? So you can make videos around that topic. And this one is my favorite one, recreate a travel experience at home. So I think this is a really fun idea to do. So think of a travel experience you would have, like for example, your favorite cocktail or your favorite holiday meal, or maybe watching the sunset or reading holiday books. How can you recreate those experiences for home? That would be a fun video. How about a travel art project? You could put together scrapbooks, you could put together future destinations you intend to travel to, you could put together a travel vision board and make a video about putting that together. Or if you're not into arts and crafts, you could do a digital version of a travel digital art project. So you could talk about how you edit your travel photographs, or for example, how you use your travel photographs to build up your Instagram channel and so on. So you could talk about any kind of digital project that you do while you're traveling. Next category is pets. And I want to talk about this because taking care of your pets during lockdown is a topic that a lot of people are interested in. So, for example, how to adopt a pet in lockdown. A lot of people are feeling lonely and isolated, and they want to know how to adopt pets during lockdown. How to care for your pets in lockdown. What if your pet gets sick in lockdown? And pets and workouts. Oh my God, if you have a pet, you need to get that pet in your next Zoom call or in your next YouTube video, because apparently people love watching animals in videos. Who knew? And the next category is beauty. So you want to do lockdown beauty hacks because people want to feel like they're still taking care of themselves. They still have a reason to get dressed. They want to feel good, and it's part of self-care because you start to feel depressed when you're out of the routine of doing your routine getting ready and makeup and hair stuff every day, right? So you want to cater to that demographic if you're in the beauty niche. You want to do maybe a quarantine skincare challenge, maybe quarantine DIYs to try for your hair, skin, nails, etc. Maybe you could do a lockdown makeup tutorial. You could do DIY stuff like make lip balm at home. So fun stuff like that, showing people how to use old makeup and make it into new stuff, like mash all your old lipsticks together to create a new color. You know, just fun DIY creative ideas like that. Or maybe you could just do a live stream and call it Practice Makeup with Me and help people learn how to do makeup for different parts of their face and do a live stream every day around that. Now, in the beginning of this video, I said I'm going to give you 5 tips to find more ideas for the kind of videos that you should be creating during lockdown. Here they are. My daughter is saying that you could also do a video on different crafts, like make your own what? Pencil holder? That's a good idea. See, even she has ideas just because I'm talking about ideas. Ideas beget ideas. All right. So what kind of lockdown videos should you be making? You need to keep in mind 5 things. Number 1, you need to match your audience's needs. So don't go off topic. Make sure your audience is actually going to be interested in your lockdown video idea. Number 2, translate current trends. So whatever the current trends are, translate them to how you normally would address them, what your personality and opinions normally are. So you want to take that current trend, add your personality into that. The next thing, if you have a niche, stay in it. A lot of these ideas will work for people who haven't yet figured out what niche they want to be in, but if you already have a niche, that means you already have an audience. You want to stay in that niche and cater to that audience so you keep them over long term, so it's not just a fad right now. On the other hand, if you don't have a niche, then feel free to experiment with any of these ideas and trends and figure out what you actually love. This is a great time to start your channel and experiment with different ideas and see what really sticks. And finally, don't be afraid to present divergent viewpoints. I'll give you a quick example. I had someone on a live stream once who said, you know what, I am against sewing face masks at home because it's not hygienic and it doesn't really prevent, the virus from getting inside. And I said, well, then you should be making a video on that topic because that's your viewpoint and you feel strongly about it. Why not talk about it? So you don't just have to make videos about topics you agree with. You can make videos about current trending topics that you disagree with because presenting your opinions and your viewpoints is a valid video topic idea. And finally, I want to say make more than just videos. Connect deeply with your audience. You could do different types. You could do live streams. You could do webinars. You could do private Zoom calls. You could do Facebook trainings. You could do different types of content right now to really build that community and gather people around a common purpose because people right now are looking for connection. You want to step up and be that leader. And if you need more video ideas, then I'm going to link to some more videos I did here for inspiration that you can watch next. Remember to go after what you want and build that brand you love because you can be the media.